Hello, this is NAVIFORCE Watch Unboxing Review Time Studio. Come and have a look what I have bring you today. Okay, open the box and then we find here it's a men's watch. This is the manual book to teach you how to set the multifunctional watch. This is our guarantee card. The NAVIFORCE will provide you 1 year guarantee when you buy this watch. And then it's the brand logo and the protect here. So comes to the watch today. Okay, here is the watch. A very nice stainless steel watch, and the case is used the Oli case. First of all, let's have a look at the data about this model, and then from the manual book we can see how many function modes about this watch. The first one is normal mode, stopwatch mode, alert mode, and time setting mode. So there are 4 functions for this watch. And also we will provide you 8 kinds of languages of the manual book. Let me show you. Okay, the first one here is the English, and here is the Espanol, and here is the Portuguese, and here is the Arabic, and others we will also provide the others language. Okay, then it's our watch now. Okay, let's look at each single small window. At this bigger window is the time display. Here it's the 11:40, and the flashing number is the second number. And here FR means is the Friday, and here is the month and the date. It's the December 10th. Okay, this watch it's an analog Quartz and LCD digital dual display watch. So press this button, you can see the very strong white light LED light for 3 seconds when you press this button, and press this button to see how many function modes we have. Here the ST means here is the stopwatch mode. AL means the alert mode, and FR, and here the second window is flashing, means here it's the time setting mode. Okay, press again this button B. We come back to the normal mode, the time display mode. Okay, if you want to know how to set the stopwatch or the alert mode, we will have another video to teach you next time. Okay, let's have a more detailed look at the watch. Here is 2-layer case. This is the color contrasted case, the back shell. Here is the black color, and the case, the Oli case, is rose gold color. And also the dial, you can see is the woven pattern of the dial. Okay, the 4 small buttons around, it's silver color, and the crown, the big crown, is the same color as the back shell, it's black color. Okay, let's have a look at the strap. The strap is used the stainless steel and very high quality of the polish process. and this is the plastic to protect the stainless steel band when you get this watch. And here it's a protect paper to protect the barcode, and two steps to open the barcode. Okay, here, and press this two sides and open the folding barcode. It's very easy and convenient to wear or take off the watch. Okay, I've tried it on my wrist. Okay, the diameter is a little large because my wrist, the width is 14 cm and the diameter is a little large, so it looks a little big, the case on my wrist. It's a very cool style watch for me. And actually this model we have 5 colors. I will show you them all later. Hello, welcome back. Here are all 5 colors for this model NF9171. Just now I have shown you this black combined the rose gold one. Do you like this one? And then it's the best color. The best one I like is the foot black color one, and it's at the dial. We can see it's only this window here have a little yellow colors combined, and all the strap, the bezel, the case are all black color. It's a very cool, very nice black color. It's very so nice, this model. And I can't help to try this color again. Wow, really very nice. I like this color. How do you think about it? Also, I can show you the LED light. So bright, isn't it? Is it cool? I like the LED light very much. And the stainless steel, very good process. Back case information in the back case, the model and other waterproof the informations. Okay, the next color is the silver combined the black color. The bezel is black and under the case, and the watch band are also the silver. It's a very nice and very classic watch band. Okay, press this to show you the LED light. So cool, isn't it? Okay, also we can see a little red colors for the indices and the hands. And also the 7, the number of 7 here, it's very eye-catching. Also very nice this color. Okay, the next one is also a very hot sale color, because the band you can see here, the next two color, the band color, the watch band color is a little different because they have 2 colors combined. This is the same blue color as the bezel, the blue one, and this one is the coffee one, and the watch band is also the coffee. Do you like this combine, these two color combination? Okay, show you this one on my left hand. Also very bright LED light, and also you can see the bigger number here, 7, is the same color as the bezel here, and this one is the white color but not the coffee color. Okay, do you like this model NF9171? Come to our AliExpress official store to buy all these colors you can find it. Okay, this offer today. If you want to know how to set the multifunctional watch, come to our video account to see more video. Okay, that's all for today. Bye, see you next time.